Student, we will discuss about the activities. Write 5 objects made up of clay, then wood and steel. So you have to find out and you have to write in your book. Next, second activity, take a glass tumbler, fill it completely with water. Now place the stone in water. State what happens to the stone and the water. So when you keep stone inside the water spill out from the beaker and stone take the place in the water. Next activity is there, take 2 balloons, fill one with air and keep the another one empty. You can see in the diagram also these 2 balloons are at the end of the scale. Try to balance the flatten. But you will see the balloon which is filled with the air goes down because air has the weight. So this experiment or activity show that air has mass as well as air has the weight, so that it goes down. And you can see the balloon which is filled, you can see the shape changes, and which is unfilled with the air, you can see it's remain same as it is without air. Next, one more activity is there, student. These activities you can perform at your home also. So you can see this is a glass filled with water. When you put some stone or something solid inside it, the water spills out. When you take this stone back or this thing back, again when you put down the spilled water inside the glass, the quantity of the water remain the same. So it shows that the water level is now the same as it was in the earlier. Thus this show matter occupies the space. Liquid is also type of matter and you can see it occupies the space. Next, take a piece of wood and try to change its shape by pressing it with your finger. So we cannot change the shape of the wood because wood is very rigid. Its molecules are very tightly packed. Name any 4 rigid objects. So you can write tire or any rigid object you can find out and write here. Next, more to know, you should know this. Solid vary in their hardness. You can cut a butter slab with a bread. Butter slab is also solid, but you can cut with the knife but not stone, because stone is hard while butter is soft, but both are in solid state only. Stone is highly rigid whereas butter is not so highly rigid, means very tight. And which is the hardest naturally occurring substance? So diamond is the hardest naturally occurring substance. Now one more activity is there. You have to take few pebbles and keep it in the beaker. But you can see inside the beaker also the pebble shape remain the same, because solid do not take the shape of the thing in which they are kept. Then one more activity, take 2 blocks of wood and put them in the pan of weighing balance. What happens to the pan of the balance? When you keep the bigger and the smaller one, the pan goes down in the bigger side, it goes down. So students, now you have to revise these activities as well as revise the topics which we have done today. See, one demonstration is there to show the liquid have definite volume. So we will take 100 ml of water. When I keep this in the sprout beaker, you can see its shape become the sprout beaker or cylindrical shape, and when we keep in the other beaker, it contain the shape of the other beaker. So water remain 100 milliliter only, but it take the shape of the different container. Here you can triangular beaker, you can see water remains same, but it take the shape of the container. Next, take a plastic bottle filled with water, try to compress it. So you will try this at home and write can you compress it and how much you compress. Next activity, take a measured quantity of oil in a glass tumbler, observe its shape. Pour this oil in an empty bottle, again observe its shape. You can see, is there any change in the shape of the oil? Yes, it take the shape of the tumbler where we keep it. Does the volume of oil remain the same? Yes, volume remain the same only. This activity already, I think you have filled the balloon with air. So if you take different shapes of the balloon and filled with the air, you can see the different shape of the volume is taken by the gas, because we observe the air inside the balloon take the shape of the balloons. So it has no shape of its own. So gas do not have their own shape. So the characteristics which we have studied are demonstrated in these activities. You can do at your home also.